Hello, I'm John Bergantino, Southeast Business Development Manager for AZO. Welcome to our RSNA virtual booth. The RX360 is a 3 megapixel FDA 510K approved for general diagnostic radiography that is ideal for precisely displaying color and monochrome images. The RX360 is in a class by itself with its anti-glare panel and the space-saving design that incorporates the thinnest bezel for seamless side-by-side viewing. High resolution, along with strong contrast ratio of 1500 to 1 and 500 candela calibrated brightness, the monitor offers outstanding image quality. Even the differences between the finest details are shown. As with all AZO diagnostic displays, the RX360's precise calibration of white point and tone value is managed by an integrated front sensor. This measures the brightness and grayscale and calibrates the monitor automatically without restricting the field of vision of the monitor. Some additional robust features include our work and flow technology. Radiologists are faced increasing amounts of information on their screen as modalities become increasingly digitized. One of our more unique features is Switch and Go, which allows you to use a single set of keyboard and mouse with two different workstations at the same time. You can switch between the two workstations simply by moving the mouse cursor from one screen to another, similar to a KVM switch. To sum it up, the RX360 comes standard with all these features and more, which allow you to be more productive and work more efficiently without sacrificing great image quality.